This will be the last lesson for chapter 10, kind of a short and sweet one. But I wanted to go over reflection, or rotation, and translation before we get to the end of the chapter. So this is journal page 281. So each one of these freeze patterns is either a reflection, a rotation, or a translation. So I want you to see if you can figure out which is which. And so here's a little trick to kind of remember. So if you have a reflection of a pattern, basically you have an FL in here. So the pattern has flipped. If you have a rotation, we have T in here. That a rotation means the shape has turned either clockwise or counterclockwise, so many degrees. And then if you have a translation, we have an SL in here. That means that the figure has slid, or there is a slide from one place to another. So see if you can figure out which one of these is which. And each one of these lines here, these dotted lines, is the line of either reflection, rotation, or translation. So follow the directions and continue that pattern. And so number 2, it asks you to make your own. So you can have some fun with that and make up your own pattern and either translate it, rotate it, or reflect it. And then, so this is part of your assignment for today. And then look on the April 9th schedule and look at the rest of the assignment. And then on Tuesday, we'll probably do a review of chapter 10, and Wednesday there will be a chapter 10 test.